Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are local? If your business isn't optimized for local search, you're missing out on potential customers right in your neighborhood. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know when it comes to optimizing your website for local search, so you can attract more local customers and boost your business. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Original Ginger channel. If you're new here, we share practical digital marketing tips to help small businesses grow online. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today, we're diving into local SEO, a powerful marketing strategy that can help make a big difference for your business. By optimizing your website for local search, you can increase your visibility in search results, attract more qualified leads, and engage better with customers who are right in your area. Whether you're a local shop, restaurant, or service-based business, local SEO can help you stand out from the competition, drive more traffic, and boost online sales. I'm going to break down exactly how to get started with local SEO so you can reach more customers and grow your business. So first things first, you need to know what keywords your local customers are searching for online. Start by using a tool like Google's Keyword Planner or the Moz Keyword Research tool to find keywords that include your location. For example, if you're a coffee roaster in Seattle, look for terms like Seattle coffee roaster or best coffee beans in Seattle. Here's an action tip for you. Create a list of these keywords and prioritize the ones with the highest search volume, but low to medium competition. This will help you target the most relevant terms that can actually drive traffic to your site. Once you have your keywords, it's time to integrate them into your website. Here's a quick checklist. Make sure your page titles include your primary keyword, your location, and your company name, like Best Coffee Beans in Seattle, Acme Company, or Local SEO Company Vancouver, Original Ginger. Write a compelling meta description with your target keyword. Keep it under 160 characters so it shows up fully in search results. Use your keywords in H1, H2, and H3 tags throughout the content. This helps Google understand the structure of your page. Naturally incorporate keywords into your content, but don't overdo it. Focus on providing value. Your Google Business Profile is one of the most powerful tools for local SEO. If you haven't set it up, go to business.google.com and create your listing. If you already have a profile, make sure it's 100% complete. Here's some Google Business Profile optimization tips for you. Use your actual business name and choose the most accurate category for your business. Make sure your address and phone number are correct and match what's on your website. Keep your hours up to date, especially if they change seasonally. Upload high-quality photos of your business, products, and services. Google loves visual content. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and respond to them promptly, whether they're positive or negative. Now that your site is optimized and your Google Business Profile is up, it's time to create content that targets your local audience. This could be blog posts, guides, or even case studies. Here's some examples of local content. Create a blog post like 10 Best Coffee Shops in Seattle if you're in the food and beverage industry. Write about local events or news that relate to your business. For instance, a florist could cover local wedding conventions or floral workshops. Highlight customer success stories from your area. It builds trust and connects with local customers. Local citations are online mentions of your business, like your name, address, and phone number, also called NAP. These should be consistent everywhere your business appears online. Submit your business to local directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and industry-specific sites. Get listed in your local Chamber of Commerce or city business listings. Make sure the NAP information is identical across all platforms. Google values consistency. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours, and they're crucial for SEO. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the better. So how do you get local backlinks? Reach out to local bloggers or news sites and offer to write a guest post. Sponsor local events and ask if they can include a link to your website on their event page. Network with other local businesses. Maybe they'll link to your site in a local business directory or blog post. Another way to get backlinks is to comment on social media posts or forums and include a backlink to your website. Just be careful that your comment makes sense and won't be considered as spam. Did you know that over 60% of local searches happen on mobile devices? Your site needs to be mobile friendly to keep visitors around. Here's some mobile optimization tips. Use a responsive website design so it adjusts to any screen size. Keep your images optimized for quick loading. This means they should be under 250 kilobytes per image. And make sure your buttons and links are easy to click, even on a small screen. Finally, don't forget to track your local SEO efforts to see what's working and what's not. Use Google Analytics to check where your traffic is coming from and Google Search Console to monitor your search rankings. Here's some key metrics to track. Organic traffic from local searches, click-through rate, or CTR, on your local keywords, engagement with your Google business profile, like clicks, calls, and direction requests, form fills on your website, and the big one, revenue generated from those calls and form fills. All right, that wraps up our guide on optimizing your website for local search. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more small business marketing tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.